my third day now, picking up a mushroom here in the mountain. So I have, there we go. I have already here. Mhm. Here. Mhm. For all you know, guys, this is my third day picking up of the mushroom here in the mountain. Look at there. So fun. Picking mushroom. Oh, look at this. So nice. A lot. Mhm. Here we go. So this is the starting season of mushroom here in United States. And soon we will pick it up. There's a lot, guys. Super. They are grow up in the burning area of the forest. Mhm. So here we got. Mhm. Oh, see? Mm. So some the small is here. You don't want to pick, I think. It's going too big. Mhm. But there's some also that it just grow. It's just about to grow up, guys. Mhm. There is, yeah, there is a lot, but it's just small, smaller, tiny, tiny. Mhm. Wow, my papa get a big one. Okay, you can pick it now, paparazzi. You did it, but not totally big. And that's too. Mhm. Just about to grow up, guys. Mhm. Mhm. But there's a small. I didn't want to pick that. Oh, my husband is happy because they got a lot. But for me, in my area, I didn't see it anything at this time. So we will look for some. So we have four. I have four, guys. Okay, take your time. I got here also. Huh? He's hiding. Awful. Okay. Take your time. Guys, my husband is up. Here we go. There is a smallest one, but I didn't want to pick it. I just enjoy picking up, guys. Then- All right. You count all that you have. Me too. But it's smallest I have. I know you are awesome today. You got a lot of mushroom. But for mine, it's just a bit. I have, guys, but it's smaller. Yeah. Okay. That's what I did. I got. Oh, I have a big one. A big one, guys. You. Another one. Another big one. Is here. That's what I like. Here. You just enjoy and pick it up here. Go see. There's a little. There's a little. That is. Here we go. But it's too small. Here. I didn't want to pick it because. Huh? Oh, I have a big one for now. I think, yeah. Awesome. Look at that, guys. Here. Oh my gosh. Big one. Oh boy. Bucket. So we will not be bothering to each other. Look at that. I cannot bring it all because I have lots too. Yeah, I saw the footprints that there is here.
Are you coming down or not?
It's a white one. There's the smallest guy like that, but I didn't want to pick it, make it big. There's a lot here. Look at that, guys. Oh, the bigger. It's a cold area. See? Here we go. Here. Here. Oh boy. Look at that, guys. Munti ko na maapakan siya. Oh, laki. Oh. Hey. My gosh. What's going on here? Oh boy. It's just about to grow up. Oh. It's so cold, my gosh. Oh, look at that. Smaller. The big one.
Get through here.
Oh yeah.
Over there. Now, look at these all over there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. There. Oh my gosh, guys.
Those are just the
There
ones
is
we
a
can
lot. Ew, this is a big. My gosh,
I
there's
think
a
we can fill our bucket here.
yeah. Look at that, guys. This is amazing. Amazing. Oh my life, paparazzi.
Hon, don't throw them up there. You'll knock stuff off of them.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Pick them clean, and then put them in the bucket.
Yeah.
Don't expect me to come back.
I will
don't like your
paparazzi.
butts.
Feel your butt.
When we get this bucket full, I want to do.
Mm-hmm.
I want to go right down the hill. There's a little draw right over here,
Oh.
and I want to walk down there on that bottom. We'll have to go by Eric and Neva's.
Oh boy.
Look at that one.
Wow. Look at that. Oh, my husband.
But
There's a lot.
believe it or not, I've seen much better
Yeah. Oh really? Oh.
mushrooms in front of me. Yeah. But you got to be careful with this bucket. You don't want to spill it.
No. It's hard to buy. It's hard in the butt if that will be going to spill. It's here. What that guys? Also, we gotta pull bucket now. You see that you miss a lot, and then you oh boy. They are here. That. Oh. Naaapakan na nga lang namin guys. Ang dami.
Let's get out of here. I want to go down here and then walk back towards the truck. I want to see what's off in this bottom over here. And look at this cluster right here.
Oh. Yeah.
3, 7,
Mm-hmm.
and then 2 others right beside it.
Up from you, there's still. And here. Oh,
Okay.
there's a lot. Look at that.
Yeah, I
guy.
guess we better fill the bucket
Oh.
here then.
Yeah. So
That'll-
put it back in the car and one more.
How's that for a cluster?
Yeah.
7 of them.
Oh God, guys.
I'm not going to pick all these on.
Yeah.
Some of them are pretty small. I'm gonna...
Look at that, guys. It's so big. Here, too big. Oh, Paul. Look at that. There is a lot.
Come here. I want to get out of here.
Oh,
We are full.
okay. So, kailangan na rin namin umalis kasi puno na yung bucket namin. So, okay. Those are all one bucket that we have hunting for today about the mushroom, guys. Thank you so much for watching this my vlog. And don't forget to subscribe and post the button all below para sa next update ng ating mushroom picking up in the mountain.